to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you natural hair oil to stop all your hair problems. One solution, but this is a tried and tested remedy. Here I have used all the natural ingredients which is going to help us to stop our hair fall, dandruff issue, hair itching, scalp itchiness, all those things. Tried and tested remedy, guys. I have tried this oil and I got the result, so I thought I will share with my YouTube family. So you can see this oil. This is, I made it at home itself by using minimum, I think 30 to more than 30 ingredients I have added in this oil, which is going to give us more and more benefit. So you have to store this oil in a glass container. This oil you can store it for minimum 3 to 4 months. You can see how much thick is this oil. This oil is used by using all the natural ingredients, as I have told you before, and all the effective ingredients, not only natural, all the effective ingredients. I hope this video will be very useful for you. You all will like my video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members, and share to them those who required this oil, and don't stop sharing this video until reach the goal. Come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For this, here I have taken one iron kadai. I recommend iron kadai for all the home remedies. So here I have taken the iron kadai. First ingredient here I am going to use is coconut oil. Oil will help to prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as the split ends and hair breakage. So here I am going to take 250 ml of coconut oil. The same equal quantity I am going to take one more oil, that is mustard oil. You can see the spoon, guys. Here I have taken one wooden spoon. You can take the wooden spatula only, because that will be the better for making any of the remedies at home. Don't use the steel or any other material. See, here I am going to take this all completely 250 ml of water, and then I am going to add in it mustard oil. Ingredient here I am going to use is mustard oil. Mustard oil is high in fat, including omega-3 fatty acids. This may help to reduce inflammation on your skin and scalp. The mustard oil treatment may help to protect or improve your root health for strong and thicker hairs. Here I am going to take the same quantity of the mustard oil, as I have told you, 250 ml of mustard oil and 250 ml of coconut oil. You can see, guys, I have added both the oils in it. So my next ingredient here I have taken is fenugreek seeds. So Greek seeds are rich in source of iron and protein. This will the unique compound of plant compound that will be helps to induce the hair growth and reduces their anti-inflammatory, antifungal effects also. So my next ingredient here I have taken is kalonji, which is known as black seeds. Black seeds or nigella seeds or kalonji, whatever it may be, it will helps to maintain the scalp health. It will stimulate the hair growth, and also it prevents graying. 2 spoon of black seeds. So my next ingredient here I am going to use is cinnamon sticks. You can take it one big stick, or you can take it small 2 sticks. Okay, may stimulate the circulation. This could encourage hair growth and reduces the hair loss. So next ingredient here I have taken is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in vitamin C, magnesium, calcium and phosphorus and iron, which may using its exact for preventing the hair loss. So next ingredient here I have taken is curry leaves. Curry leaves, as you all know, guys, which is very important for us, which will makes our hairs black. Not only with properties that can work wonder for your hairs and leads to hair growth. So next ingredient here I have taken is neem powder. Take it neem powder or else neem oil also, both will work as the same. It will condition your scalp, it will promote hair growth, temporarily seals hair follicles also. So next ingredient here I have taken is tea dust, normal tea dust, which we are using for tea. Makes your hair soft and shiny, and also it prevents the split ends, and also soothes irritating scalps, can also stop the hair loss also. So next here I have taken is green tea. Anti-inflammatory properties that will helpful in preventing hair loss and promotes generates of hair. It can also helpful in fighting dandruff also. Caffeine present in green tea also prevents baldness by blocking DHT, the hormone which may cause of baldness. So here I have taken 2 green tea sachets. If you are not having green tea sachets, the green teas also you can take it 2 spoon of green tea. Okay guys, mix all these ingredients well. You can see here I have taken the sachets only. If you want the raw one also you can take it. So next ingredient here I have taken is henna, the normal henna which we are applying for hands and heads. To reduce premature graying of hairs because it's loaded with tanning, a plant compound found in teas that contributed to the rich coloring. Henna is having vitamin E which helps our hairs to make soften, and also it is rich in protein and antioxidant that supports hair health. So here I have taken the same equal quantity of 2 spoons of henna here. Ingredients well, if you are not having iron kadai you can use the normal vessel also. So my next ingredient here I have taken is onion. Onion is very grateful, it is having full of sulfur which will support strong and makes our hair thick. If you are having hair fall guys, you can take it, what is this, onion juice. You can see from the first use itself your hair fall will stop. The sulfur from onions may help to promote collagen production. Collagen in turn the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. So here I have taken 1 full onion. I am going to use this one with the peel. I have not removed the peel because peels also having the more and more quantity of sulfur which is more and more benefit for our hairs. So mix all these ingredients well. So next ingredient here I have taken is garlic, having antimicrobial properties that help kill the germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing the damaged hairs and also the scalp. So it is rich in vitamin C, it will promote the hairs. So here I have taken 1 full garlic cloves. Okay, you can crush this one and you can add in that. So you can see the method how I am using, but you have to peel the garlic guys, that is very important. Okay, so my next ingredient here I have taken is ginger. Ginger is boost blood circulation to the hairs. As a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair root and follicles. Addition to the many fatty acids, vitamins and minerals present in ginger can strengthen hair strands which prevents the hair loss. So here you have to take it 1 to 2 inches of ginger. You have to always take the quantity of your thumb. You can see the thumb first part, that 2 inches you have to take the ginger, cut it and crush it and put it. If you don't want to crush, you can put it directly also. See guys the method how I am using. I am using a crusher here. You can use the crusher or else you can cut into small pieces and you can add in this oil. You can see my kadai is becoming very small because I have added more and more ingredients. Better to change the vessel. Every ingredient whichever I have used is very important for the hairs guys. Don't skip any of the ingredients. First arrange all the ingredients, then go to make this oil. If you are skipping one ingredient, you are asking me what is the option, second option of this, means I don't have anything, because here I am using all the very important ingredient for the hairs. So my next ingredient here I have taken is almonds. Almonds are rich in magnesium and nutrients which promotes hair growth by preventing dandruff and hair damage. Almonds provide sufficient nutrition to the hair follicle that makes the hair strand stronger and reduces the hair fall. So again here I am going to crush this almonds. If you don't want to crush, you can you can grind also guys, as you wish. You can do it anything, but use all these ingredients because all these ingredients are very important. No any option, no skipping of any of the ingredients, because this is a very useful video and it is going to work as we are using all the ingredients. Okay, ingredient here I am going to use is hibiscus powder. If you are not having the market hibiscus powder, you can take the natural flour and you can add it here 4 to 5 flowers. It is a main important ingredient guys, don't skip it. Hibiscus aids hair growth and dormant hair follicles, helps cover the bald patches and also combat dryness and dandruff. This flower at least 7 to 8 young hibiscus leaves. This will helps you to grow the hairs and also it will cover your baldness also. Here I have taken the same quantity of 2 spoons of hibiscus powder. This ingredient here I am going to use is dried lemon peel. Don't throw after using the lemon, just keep it for drying. This will makes you the dried lemon. This will helps to tighten the hair follicles, curbing hair fall. It helps to clean the scalp and unclog the hair follicles. So next here I have used is coriander leaves, full of coriander leaves, but it is having full of vitamin K, C and D, which will help the hair strength and growth also. So next ingredient here I have taken is amla powder. Amla helps to strengthen the scalp and hairs, reduces the premature and pigment loss from the hairs or graying, stimulates hair growth, reduces the hair loss, prevents or treat dandruff and dry scalp also. So here I have taken the same equal quantity of 2 spoons of amla powder. So next ingredient here I am going to take is bhringraj. So bhringraj will help to treat the dandruff and dry scalp. Bhringraj will treat the baldness and help in hair growth. It will prevent hair fall, promotes new hair growth, prevents graying of hairs, and also it will repair the damaged hair also. So here I have taken the same equal quantity of 2 spoons. So my next ingredient here I have taken is Brahmi. Brahmi for hair reduces the hair fall. Brahmi powder helps nourishes the roots well as hair growth by thickens the roots. Brahmi also helps to keep the scalp cool and strengthen their follicles. So the same quantity of Brahmi here I have taken the 2 spoons of Brahmi. Ingredient is aloe vera. Here I have taken the fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera reveals in the power of the potent aloe vera, rich with intoxicated tones of greens, and also it will nourish the weak hairs and infuse it with moisture. It will control the greasy hairs. It helps an itchy scalp. It protects from the UV damage and it will gives you hair growth. So mix all these ingredients. So I think I have to change the vessel better, because you can see it is full. So I want a little bit bigger one. So I am going to take a big vessel here. I will transfer all these ingredients into that silver vessel. If you are not having the iron one, you can take the silver also, but I preferred iron is the best for the any of the hair oil or hair mask. I prefer for iron kadai only. After transferring everything guys, I think I have to add some more oil in it, because the ingredients are more and the oil is looking little less. So here I am going to add some more oil by adding both the oil into equal quantity. You can add some more oil in between. I am adding the mustard oil and as well as the coconut oil also. I am adding 2 spoons of mustard and 2 spoons of coconut oil. Mix both the ingredients, add into all these ingredients. You can see I am adding this oil into that. But this oil you can store it for 3 to 4 months guys, nothing will be happen, because here we have cooked this oil for minimum 40 to 50 minutes. You can see guys, this video will if I leave it it will go to 2 to 3 hours. So I don't want to make that much big. So I have skipped lot and I am showing you only the ingredients part only, and I have not told you the all in detail the benefits of all the ingredients. Just I am giving you short and sweet benefits of all the ingredients. So my next ingredient here I have taken is castor oil. The castor oil may benefit those who experience of dandruff and common scalp condition characterized by dry flaky skin on the head. So this will make your hair scalp moisturized. So here I have taken 1 spatula full of castor oil, you can see. So mix all these ingredients, cook for some time, 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can add the rest of the ingredients. You can see guys, but it should be cooked well. It's not like just keeping and within 5 to 10 minutes it will be ready means no, it will not be ready. Minimum it should be cooked for 30 to 40 minutes. For me it takes 40 minutes to make this oil. In hurry if you do means you should not, it will not work. See guys, all this it is leaving the oil. You can see see my oil how it looks. So my next ingredient here I am going to use is rosemary, because here I am going to use the rosemary because I don't have the rosemary essential oil. My rosemary essential oil is finished. So here I am taking 1 to 2 spoon of rosemary. As rosemary, it works by stimulating scalp circulation and can be used to grow longer hairs, prevent baldness or stimulate new hairs growth in baldness area. Rosemary oil also slow down the graying of hairs. It will promote the shines to your hairs. It will promote and reduces the dandruff. making it a great tonic for overall hair health and beauty also. So see, I have switched off the flame. Now I am going to keep it for slow down, let it be cool down, and then I will tell you what we have to do next. Okay, it's completely cooled down. I am going to strain this oil by using a spatula, by using a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, you can strain it by using a muslin cloth or else by a strainer. It will be better to use a cloth, because here I was hurry-burry, so I have used the strainer. By using a muslin cloth, you will get a fine and clean oil. You can take it out. So you can see the method how I am straining this. So by this method you can squeeze all the oil, and then you have to add only essential oils you need to add in it. That's it. And this one you should not throw it, but you have to keep it and squeeze it as much as you can, and then you can add it in that oil. This mixture we are not going to use it again, just we want to squeeze and take the oil from it. You can see guys, I have strained it well. The rest I am going to use here is all the essential oils. You can see I have kept my all the essential oils in a line. So one by one I am going to add all the 7 drops of all the essential oils into a equal quantity. So first here I am going to use this lemongrass essential oil. Grass is having antibacterial and antifungal properties, which will work as an excellent antibacterial properties. It will fight with the dandruff, it will give relief, and it will stress relief, and also it will give you hair growth. It is rich in vitamins. So next ingredient here I have taken is tea tree oil. Tea oil is therapeutic for oil for hairs. It has antifungal and antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This is very useful for hairs, and also it makes follicles more receptive to the nutritions. Having antimicrobial properties which will help to prevent and kill the head lice. It may help to curb skin inflammation and also calming effect and divine fragrance also. Next ingredient here I have taken is aloe vera essential oil. Same benefit is having in the essential oil of aloe vera as well as in the aloe vera leaf. So here I have taken, this is the optional guys. If you want to skip this essential oil, you can skip this one, it's no matter. Okay, only aloe vera essential oil only I am telling you to, you can skip. If you don't have means you can skip this one. The rest all is very important ingredients. No way of skipping any of the ingredients. Okay. So next here I have taken is castor cold press essential. Helps to decrease the chance of breaking. Castor oil may benefit who experience the dandruff and the common scalp condition. Also, so here I have taken the same 7 drops of castor cold press essential oil, and the next here I am going to take is jojoba oil. Oil can also used as a moisturizer. It can also be added as a good conditioner. It added protection and against the dryness and breakage, split ends. This oil can also be moisturize the scalp. Maybe if you are having a dandruff issue also, you can use this oil regularly. Here my all the ingredients, it's going to be stopped. Mix all these ingredients well, store it in a glass jar for 2 to 3 months. It will be good, and apply on your hairs and leave it for full night and then wash it off. Regular using of this oil, you will get the benefit. I hope this will be very useful for you. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.